Mitsuhide Akechi was wandering the land in search of a worthy master when he was taken in by the famed Nobunaga Oda. Mitsuhide quickly proved his mettle, playing an indispensable role in driving Nobunaga's advance on the capital city, Kyoto. Soon, however, they came face to face with Katsuyori Takeda, leader of the fearsome Takeda cavalry. The earth trembled as the legendary army poured into the plains before them. However, Nobunaga's ambition would not be so easily broken. Together with Mitsuhide, he would unleash a strategy certain to bury this legend of old and write a new one in its place.
I am certain we can bring peace to the land. Chapter 1. The Battle of Nagashino. For Lord Nobunaga,